Welcome back to Britology. Today we're stepping inside a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a five-star mansion on wheels. Meet the Vanguard Road Palace, an extraordinary luxury motorhome designed for travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort, elegance, or technology. Every inch of this incredible road palace has been crafted to deliver an experience that rivals the world's finest luxury hotels while offering the freedom to explore breathtaking destinations without ever leaving home behind. From the very first glance, the Vanguard Road Palace commands attention. Its sleek aerodynamic design, premium metallic finish, and futuristic LED lighting create a bold presence wherever it goes. Large panoramic windows stretch across the sides, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering uninterrupted views of mountains, forests, coastlines, and city skylines. Every exterior detail has been carefully engineered to combine beauty with functionality, ensuring the motorhome performs just as impressively as it looks. As the automatic entrance door opens, you're welcomed into an interior that instantly redefines luxury travel. Rich marble flooring, handcrafted wood finishes, polished metal accents, and soft ambient lighting create an atmosphere of timeless sophistication. Every material has been selected, not only for its elegance, but also for its durability, ensuring the cabin remains beautiful after years of adventure. The main lounge is designed to become the heart of the home. Plush reclining sofas provide exceptional comfort, while panoramic windows transform every destination into a living work of art, whether you're parked beside a peaceful lake, overlooking a dramatic mountain range, or relaxing on a scenic coastal highway. The surrounding landscape becomes part of your living room. At the center of the entertainment area sits a massive, ultra-high-definition smart television supported by an immersive surround sound system. Hidden speakers deliver crystal-clear audio, making movie nights feel like a private cinema experience. High-speed satellite internet keeps everyone connected, allowing remote work, online meetings, streaming services, and gaming without interruption, even in remote locations. The kitchen inside the Vanguard Road Palace rivals those found in luxury apartments. Beautiful stone countertops provide generous preparation space, while premium cabinetry offers organized storage for every cooking essential. A full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, dishwasher, and advanced ventilation system allow gourmet meals to be prepared with ease. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or hosting a fine dining evening, every appliance has been carefully integrated into the elegant design. The dining area is equally impressive. A handcrafted dining table, surrounded by luxurious seating, creates the perfect environment for family dinners, business discussions, or casual breakfasts while enjoying spectacular scenery through the panoramic windows. Carefully positioned lighting enhances the atmosphere, creating a warm and inviting space day or night. Moving toward the private living quarters reveals a master bedroom designed to provide complete relaxation after long days of travel. A king-sized premium mattress promises exceptional comfort, while soft designer bedding, elegant wall finishes, and adjustable mood lighting create the peaceful atmosphere of a luxury hotel suite. Large windows continue the connection with nature, allowing travelers to wake up to unforgettable sunrises wherever they park. Storage has been intelligently integrated throughout the bedroom. Spacious wardrobes, hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, and underbed storage ensure that extended journeys remain organized and clutter-free. Every available space has been optimized, without sacrificing the clean and luxurious appearance of the interior. The bathroom demonstrates that luxury doesn't have to be sacrificed on the road. Premium marble-inspired finishes, a spacious rainfall shower, elegant vanity, illuminated mirrors, modern fixtures, and advanced water-saving technology combine to create a spa-like experience. Heated flooring and excellent ventilation further enhance comfort, allowing travelers to enjoy the same convenience found in high-end homes. Climate control throughout the Vanguard Road Palace is fully automated. Intelligent air conditioning and heating systems continuously monitor interior temperatures, ensuring perfect comfort regardless of outside weather conditions. Whether crossing snowy mountain passes or driving through hot desert landscapes, the interior remains peaceful and comfortable throughout the journey. Technology plays a major role in this remarkable motorhome. A centralized smart control system allows occupants to manage lighting, entertainment, climate, security, blinds, and appliances using touchscreen panels or smartphone integration. Voice commands provide additional convenience, transforming everyday tasks into effortless experiences. Safety remains a top priority. Multiple exterior cameras provide complete visibility around the vehicle, while advanced parking assistance simplifies maneuvering even in tight spaces. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, emergency braking systems, blind spot monitoring, and intelligent driver assistance technologies work together to make every journey safer and more relaxing. Powering this impressive home on wheels is a highly efficient engine engineered for long-distance touring. Advanced suspension systems deliver a remarkably smooth ride. Despite the vehicle's generous size, noise insulation throughout the cabin minimizes road sounds, allowing passengers to enjoy peaceful conversations or quiet. Relaxation while traveling. Energy independence is another defining feature. Large-capacity lithium battery systems, rooftop solar panels, advanced inverters, and intelligent energy management allow travelers to spend extended periods away from traditional campsites. Freshwater storage, wastewater systems, and efficient resource management ensure comfortable off-grid living for days at a time. Outdoor living has been carefully considered as well. A large automatic awning creates shaded relaxation space beside the vehicle, while exterior seating, integrated lighting, outdoor speakers, and an exterior kitchen transform campsites into luxurious private retreats. Whether enjoying morning coffee overlooking the ocean or hosting friends beneath the stars, the outdoor experience becomes just as impressive as the interior. The roof offers another exceptional surprise. Accessible rooftop lounge. Areas provide panoramic views, rarely experienced during traditional travel. Comfortable seating creates the perfect place to watch sunsets, enjoy evening conversations, or simply appreciate breathtaking landscapes from an elevated perspective. Every detail throughout the Vanguard Road Palace reflects careful craftsmanship. Soft close cabinets, hidden storage compartments, premium fabrics, precision stitching, custom lighting, and elegant decorative finishes demonstrate an uncompromising commitment to quality. Nothing feels ordinary because every component has been designed to create a seamless luxury experience. This extraordinary motorhome is perfect for families seeking unforgettable adventures, business professionals who work remotely, retired couples exploring new destinations, or luxury travelers who simply want complete freedom without sacrificing comfort. It transforms every journey into an unforgettable experience where the destination becomes only part of the adventure. Imagine waking beside crystal-clear lakes, enjoying breakfast overlooking majestic mountains, working from a luxury office surrounded by nature, spending afternoons exploring charming villages, and ending the day watching a spectacular sunset from your private rooftop lounge. The Vanguard Road Palace makes this lifestyle possible while delivering every comfort expected from a premium residence. Rather than booking hotels, unpacking luggage repeatedly, or following rigid travel schedules, owners enjoy the freedom to carry their luxurious home wherever the road leads. Every mile becomes part of the experience. Every destination feels more personal, and every journey becomes a story worth remembering. The Vanguard Road Palace represents far more than transportation. It represents freedom, innovation, luxury, and the endless possibilities that come with life on the open road. It proves that modern engineering and elegant design can come together to create one of the most remarkable motorhomes